Hello everyone, this is Rudra Surgical from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Today I am going to show you digital speed control morcellator, which is safe intra-abdominal morcellation of tissue, which comes with retractable cutter blade to ensure safety during operation. It has multifunction cannula integrated with handpiece, eliminate the need of separated port. So we are going to now connect this. This is power adapter cable. We have to connect this in this port. And this is power on off button. This is foot pedal. In this port we have to connect the foot switch. And another one is for handpiece. The second port of the handpiece will connect into the gun. This is safety rod, and this is for blade. I will show you how this morcellator work on this foam. This is forward switch. And this is for reverse. This is safety rod to remove the waste from this gun. This is stenocolum 15 mm. This is the full set. For more information, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number or on our email ID. Thank you.